out here with these crazy guys. Daniel, what's up?
Hey!
And his buddy Vivek, how you doing?
What's up?
So I hear it's your birthday.
It might be.
Yes. How are you celebrating that event?
I am taking a nice scenic plane ride over the ocean and landing back inside the plane too.
What? That's not what we're doing. We're going skydiving, man. So you're all geared up, ready to go. So birthday, man, craziness. How old are you?
25.
25. And you talked you into this?
Yeah.
You scared at all?
No.
I don't know, man. You look a little nervous. Hold out your hands, guys. Let me see. Oh, man, shaking all over the place. This is gonna be a good jump. So you all geared up, ready to go. What do you got to say to friends, family, everyone at home that thinks you're crazy before you go leap from an airplane?
You're correct.
Yes. Awesome. We're gonna have some fun with this. What about you, Vivek?
Well, I'm gonna see them again, I'm sure.
All right, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Say blue skies.
Blue skies.
You guys. drop those goggles down.
All right.
So, I'm out here with Daniel. We just jumped from an airplane.
We survived.
Yeah, awesome skydive, man. You totally rocked that. So, feet safely in the sand. What do you got to say now?
Feels a little bit different down here.
Yeah. Woo! All right, Vivek, get in here, man. What'd you think?
It was awesome.
Awesome, man. Yeah, high five. All right, you guys. Thanks again for coming out to Skydive Surfcity. Get together real quick. Give me a big thumbs up.
Yeah.
Blue skies.